Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, an innovative mobile office. External, adaptive LED lighting. To provide the best visibility and a futuristic appearance, the headlights and taillights will make use of the newest adaptive LED technology. Integrated solar panels. The motorhome's roof will be fitted with slender, incredibly effective solar panels that blend in well. Complete control over the view from both inside and outside will be possible thanks to the window's intelligent privacy technology, which can be changed as needed. Automatic access doors. To provide team members with safe and quick access, the main entrance will have automatic sliding doors that can recognize faces or fingerprints. Interior outfitted with several ultra-wide displays, powerful PCS, and lightning-fast internet access for analyzing telemetry data in real time. High-definition OLED panels and a top-notch audio system will be installed around the space for presentations and race monitoring. Every driver will have a separate bedroom that is soundproof, completely air-conditioned, and furnished with a personal entertainment system, mood lighting that can be adjusted, and an ergonomically adjustable bed. A huge refrigerator, plenty of storage space, and cutting-edge culinary equipment are all features of a tiny industrial-sized kitchen. A fiber-optic network of circuits and satellites will connect every motorhome, guaranteeing immediate data transfer and almost zero latency. Throughout, Wi-Fi 7 or later will be accessible. Biometric security system. To maintain privacy and security, fingerprint or facial recognition will be used to grant access to specific places. Smart energy management. Reliance on traditional generators will be lessened by a hybrid power system that incorporates solar panels and high-capacity batteries. For maximum comfort, an intelligent heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system will automatically alter the temperature and air quality based on external factors. The motorhome will be equipped with a top-notch sound system that will enable music playback and crucial announcements. Color-changing LED lights will be used in every motorhome.